everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some Goodwill items to share with you, as well as some more Dollar Tree stuff. I dropped 6 30-gallon bags of stuff off at the Goodwill. I did a huge declutter purge in the house, and of course had to go in, and I'm so glad that I did. But I only found 2 items. But I got this monster truck shirt for Connor. It is like new. It's the soft tee material. I think I got this for just a couple bucks. And I picked this up for $4. And I had a similar purse that was $40 in my Walmart cart. I love this like lacy, leathery kind of like punch out print on here. I don't know what to call this, but lasered in, etched in kind of design. I absolutely love this. I picked it up for $4. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at all these pockets and stuff. Anyways, I love this. It's accordion kind of style purse. I don't know, but I love it. It feels really nice and sturdy. $4, great condition. From the Dollar Tree, I picked up some house items. So I picked up a 4-pack of their toilet paper and a 30-count foam trays. I like using these sometimes. Some Good Scent handle bags. Didn't need them, but I grabbed them because it's been hard to find the handle bags lately. And a 140-count paper towels. This is all for the house kind of stuff. Also, I was thinking about doing a decorate with me kind of fall video for my kitchen. And I found an unexpected thing at the Dollar Tree yesterday. And these are burner covers, and I always see them, but typically they only have like the wine ones, and they have like coffee ones. My kitchen's not done in coffee or brown. I like to keep everything kind of matching, but that's just personally me. And then it's not done in like wine decoration either, or the chef stuff they have. But yesterday I found these, and it says it's in a white and a teal. It has some like leafage, vinage going on. It says live every moment with joy and laughter, and I just love these. And I'm getting ready to redo some stuff in my kitchen, like do new curtains, rugs, things like that, in possible teal and sunflower kind of vibes. So to see where that's gonna go, I don't know, but I did pick up 2 of these to use now. So you get a big one and a small one. So I got a whole set for $2. Totally random. But to add to our prizes, or prize bag for school, I got these glow-in-the-dark, or these glow stick necklaces in the color yellow. And you get a 3-pack. Not bad. Connor loves these things, so he'll use them outside, he uses them in the bathtub, just to have a glow party all to himself. So I picked up some more of these, and I know he'll be excited for that. It's just a little bit of added incentive to complete his schoolwork, get done, and I love this system. We have a sticker reward system on a chart, and then we have prizes. And I'm going to show you the fall decorations first, because I would show them last, but the LACOLORS stuff that I found is too awesome, and I want to share that at the end with my favorite finds. So I did pick up these felt fall decorations. Every year I decorate my porch, fall and Christmas, and sometimes a little Halloween, but not much, because I don't really, I'd rather do fall. And I have vlogged that in the past, so I may do that again this year. I don't know. But I picked up a felt acorn. These are really big. Here's my hand. And there's a red leaf. They had some of this stuff in different colors. And I picked up a big giant orange pumpkin. This year they are lined in glitter. At least the pumpkin and the leaf are. The acorn is not, but that's okay. But I got these for decorations outside, as well as a couple more things. I picked up this adorable scarecrow. I don't know what I was getting ready to call him, but I think I was getting ready to say that Connor also got a Hulk mask, which I was very surprised to find there. And he also got this prankster set with like a clown nose and these silly glasses that look like Harry Potter glasses. And he has been wearing that stuff like crazy, and he is Harry Potter, he says, or he's a teacher with the glasses. But this cute little guy here he strings out like this. So he has a head, he has welcome fall with his little arms holding that, and his little pants. How cute. This is that hard pressed like fiberboard kind of thing. And I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with him yet, but he's going somewhere. He's too cute. Then I picked two of these guys up, and I originally just wanted him. He has acorns and leaves on his shirt. These have picks on them for outside or anywhere. I'm thinking I'm going to put it in a floral arrangement, and if I do decide that, you will get pictures and possibly the decorate with me fall edition for the kitchen or something. But here's what his hat looks like. I think they had a red one and possibly an orange one of these in like hat wise. I'm not entirely sure, but he has a bow tie and his cute little suspenders and his cute shirt, his cute little pants with a patch on them. These are so cute, and you would not think that someone paid $1 for these, you know? I wouldn't think so. And I got and Connor picked the green one out, so he is so cute. He said he needed a friend. So he's right. He did. So I picked up two of those guys. Okay, like I said, last but not least, I shared the best for last in my opinion. I was really excited to finally find new LA Colors, and we may be closer to doing a Dollar Tree makeup challenge, which I think is really awesome. There are a few other products I want to kind of test out, maybe do a review on. I haven't done a Dollar Tree review in a while, so I'm kind of excited. I think that we probably will. So I found some new LA Colors mascaras, and I know a lot of people had hauled these a while ago, but I hadn't found the LA Colors Big Lash mascaras. I'm normally not a fan of LA Colors mascaras. I'm just not. That's just me. I don't think they do very much for my lashes. This may prove me wrong. I was very intrigued though because they were color mascaras. So I picked up purple to try it out in a video, and I also picked out navy. They do look very similar in their packaging, but you can see that navy is going to be a little bit brighter and the purple is going to be a little bit darker. Now if you have green eyes, I would definitely be picking up this purple one. It will help your green eyes pop. Now to go with those, they also had a black mascara. I did not pick that one up. But to go with that, they had a new set of eyeliners, which I know these are probably not new. So new to me, new to my store. And I picked up the lovely lavender. This is a twist up pencil, and I'm very curious about it because LA Colors eyeliners, to be honest, are hits and misses. And a lot of times though, I do love them. So I'm excited to try that. So I got that to go with the purple mascara. And to go with the blue, I did get cobalt blue. So I'm so excited. So 2 eyeliners from LA Colors, 2 new mascaras from LA Colors for me, and I'm excited to do videos and reviews for you guys using these items. I cannot wait to tear into them this weekend when I have time and try these out, test them out, and see how they do. And they also had a brown, black, and a white eyeliner, but like as you can tell, I only got the blue and purple. Also, I almost forgot, but the Dollar Tree has these new coffee drinks, and they've had vanilla before, and I think hazelnut or caramel, one of those, I can't remember for sure, but this is the first year I've seen them have pumpkin spice. So this was new to my store, and I've had this in the fridge chilling since yesterday, and I can't wait to try it. The last few items I got, I have seen floating around for a few years, but Dollar Tree always comes back with them, and sometimes they're at Walmart for $2 each. But I picked up some glow-in-the-dark LA Colors nail polishes. Yes, please. And this one is a white one, and it's called Energy. And the white nail polish from LA Colors, I believe, is always called Energy. And it's in the color Craze. So we're going to see, I am going to do a review on these. We're going to see how well they wear on the nails. We're also going to see, like, chip time, obviously, opacity, and we're also going to see if they actually glow in the dark. So here's the white one. They had a bunch of colors to choose from. I chose 3. I was really curious to see how this one's going to glow because it's a berry kind of red shade and radioactive, not fluorescent. So I'm very curious to see how this one in particular is going to glow. And I don't doubt that the white one and this one will glow, but this one here, I'm pretty sure it's going to glow for sure. And it's called Luminous. So, glow-in-the-dark nail polishes. I am very excited to see how these perform. And I am a fan of LACOLORS. Lots of people aren't, but I really am. I love their nail polishes. I probably own most LACOLORS in my entire polish collection. So I'm curious to see how long these are going to last on the nails. These are from the Color Craze line, and they're supposed to glow. So we're definitely going to test this theory out. And unfortunately, none of them are showing true to color. Especially this guy. He's too bright. So we're going to see where this goes. So I have 7 new LAColor products to test out and try for you guys. So I am excited. Hopefully you'll be as excited as I am. And I am so ready for fall. As you can tell, I keep hauling fall items. So I cannot wait. So I hope you guys are enjoying the hauls, enjoying the content on the channel. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to like that video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And always check that description box for additional links as well as the cards. And I thank you so very much for watching.